How was it? Oh my gosh.
I've had massages in Jamaica, America, and now Japan. And this was the best.
Kampeki, perfect. So I need to change our clothes. This is like a little brass. My titty then. Oh, what titty then now go all in this? That the panty they can fit her?
That's right. And I think my leg can go up in there.
It was really, really amazing. Like, and the technology. I need to check if I lost weight from my tummy with that slimming equipment. Let's take off some powder from my shoulders. Wow. So we're supposed to change and stay here. They're gonna bring us some drinks. Service, my gosh. Amazing service.
It is something regular, Katie.
It has to be.
Like every month.
I mean, look, they massage my eyelids, my nose hole, my brain. Thorough, man.
They were very, very thorough.
Feel so refreshed. And the cost. Oh my gosh, it is crazy.
Ridiculous.
You'll never guess what the cost is. Never guess what the cost is. Guess, put it in the comment section. So we just got dressed in the dressing room and they brought us tea. This tastes like peach. And she asked if we wanted a picture, so we said yes. So we thought it was for our website or Instagram, and she said, oh, remember I have you online. So she took the picture and sent to us. If I had known, we probably could have asked her to take pictures in between, but that's fine. We got a few shots in between. If I can share them, I'll just insert them somewhere. Amazing. So everything is so clean and organized. This is the steamer for the face. Basically like turned down while we were lying. Amazing. Eyelashes too.
What was that?
2 years.
Oh. 2 years. Oh, 2 years.
I decided that it's not going to be just blood-related family experiences.
The community
Yes.
is family.
Things Jamaican. Promoting brand Jamaica.